Today is just a very quick one. The first brew I ever did on my hopcat 50 litre was the Timothy Taylor clone, the Landlord clone from Timothy Taylor. One of my favourite all-time bitter style beers, and I wanted to do a side-by-side. Now, I'm not sure if you know the brand, but in the bottles it's not the same as from a cask, from a pub dispensary, from the old hand pull. I think it's called a beer machine or something. Anyway, so I've walked to my local pub and come back with a pint. They've kindly let me take a pint away. And so here I'll show you side by side, just to give you a sort of look at the, first of all, colour and clarity. So the one on the left is from the pub. You can see the clarity is a lot better. I think they've probably filtered their beer, but that's a great clarity. This one, the colour is almost exactly the same. If that was clear, I think this is just chill haze. This has come out of my Keezer. It's slightly more carbonated as well, but that's because mine's in a keg, in a corny keg. So let's go to taste. Now this one's at sort of cellar temperatures. This is the original, and this is the clone. Not bad for, I think it was about £12 for the all grain kit. With the yeast and hops and everything, 12 quid. It's pretty good. So I'll start with the original, which is beautiful and clear. Just a bit of a malty, there's a bit of hops that you get there, but it's mainly just a malty on the nose, malty smell on the nose. Definitely inviting though, so I shall accept the invite. There's definitely some hops that come through straight away, just after you swallow it comes through. You've got the malty sweetness, not too sweet, but definitely like a final gravity of 2012 or thereabouts. Not much carbonation to speak of at all. Medium body, medium to light body, but a lovely flavour that leaves you wanting to have another sip. I'm not going to have another sip of that one. I will have a sip of this one next. This one is still not 100% clear. It's only been in the keg for 2 weeks now, and I took it straight from the end of fermentation into the keg, so it's actually doing its aging in the keg as well, which I normally do in the fermenter. So on the nose, so the original has slightly more hop aroma, but I mean, I'm being very picky. It might be that there's a slight cap on here. I might. So the hops that they've used in the clone, bang on. Just slightly less hop aroma. Now there isn't a dry hop that comes with this. This is from the Worcester Hop Shop, and the last hop drop is at 10 minutes. 10 minutes is your flavour more than aroma, but if there is some aroma, but I think perhaps what I should do is have another tiny little drop at flame out, just to give you that what this one has, just that extra little hop energy that you get on the nose. It tastes like the same beer. Perhaps ever so slightly less hops, the hop hit after swallowing, but not by much. Not by much at all. Color wise, I think if my one dropped 100% clear, it could possibly be just a little bit lighter, but I mean, for a clone, okay, So the actual Landlord seems to have a slightly heavier body, although it is warmer. I should possibly have poured mine first and let it warm up while I went to the pub to get the other one. So I'm going to buy that again. I mean, if I remember correctly, I haven't got my laptop here, but if I remember correctly, the hop and malt bill is very simple. It's like Maris Otter and 30 grams of chocolate malt or 30 grams of black malt, black patent or something like that. Really small amount of something else. And then the hops they're all one type of hop. I can't remember the hop, but I am very proud of that beer, and I'm going to brew it again, but I want to let it age in one of my spare kegs so that when it goes in the Keyser, it's ready to go. That was just a quick one, guys. It was my first brew on the hopcat, and I thought it'd be nice to show you guys the results that you can get. I mean, the clarity I could probably do with working on, and it will clear. It's just that I'm drinking it a bit early. But other than that, I'm really, really happy with that beer, and I will definitely brew that again. So that's me signing out, guys. Give it a go, and let me know how it goes. Cheers.